Hi, welcome back to my channel, Lalu Nails. My name is Luna and today is another video of unboxing. Thank you Sweetie Nail Supply to send me this PR package. Let's see what is inside. Every product in this box available on Sweetie Nail Supply website, and I will make sure that I link everything down below, so don't forget to check it out in my description box. Have you ever seen people pop out their nails without damage? They are using peel-off base, including me. This is peel-off base from Clear. You might similar with Jello peel-off base. They are same concept. You will apply this peel-off base gel on your nails before extension. Give you 1 or 2 weeks retentions. And when you would like to change the design, you will apply this liquid solution around your cuticle and edge of the nails and using stick to remove nails extension. And this gel from Clear is HEMA free, TPO free, TMPTA free. Next, I have the favorite metal object. It's a silver liner gel. If you don't like to use chrome powder, don't have to worry about which matte top coat you would like to use with the chrome. How you gonna mix black color with the gel? Just use this gel. It look like liquid metal. Next, I have the new collection from Rosy Hip, Red Fever collection. In this box, you will get 8 shades of jelly red, and they are non-wipe. Does this mean you can apply the chrome powder directly on them after you curl? And the last thing I get is liquid art from More Gel. This collection called Gardening come with 6 color ink. All the colors are suitable with spring season. It's air dried. Don't forget to shake it well before you using it. And when you apply on nail, let it dry before you put the second coat on. Art liquid is really interesting me. I don't have a lot of experience using ink art, but I saw a lot of nail artists using this thing and create a beautiful, gorgeous nails, and I would like to do it too. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you Sweetie Nail Supply again to send me this PR package. Don't forget to subscribe me and see you next video. Bye.